What's up? That's a long photo. Okay, yeah, there's children behind me, so I gotta be careful what I say, how loud I say it. Right now we're about to go to some woods down that area. I'm gonna go into those woods, and yeah, there's a waterfall down there. I don't think I've shown you guys the waterfall. I may have, may not. I don't know. No, I don't think I have, but yeah, I can show you guys that, and I'll see you there. Peace. Cut it. Fuck it. Hey guys, what's up? We didn't go to the forest yet because we need water. Adam is on the verge of passing out. We need water. So yeah, we're gonna get water now. And when we get water, we're gonna take you to the woods. So yeah. Not sure how long this video is gonna be. I'll probably cut it into two because it's so long. That's what she said. And yeah. I'm gonna cut it into two parts because it's kind of way too long to upload for one. It's probably gonna be an extremely long video, and I wouldn't want to do that to you guys, so I'm gonna put it into two parts. So yeah, I'll see you once we're in the woods. So finally made it to the waterfall, and it's pretty cool, to be honest with you. It's really low today. It's low. That's not the whole waterfall, there's a bigger part to it. But yeah, as always, I'm shirtless. Shirtless in all my vlogs, really. Most of them. And we made it here with our bikes. Got some water in the process. Where'd you bring that? It's up there, right?
Yeah. Normally this water's like at least 6 inches higher.
Yeah, just vlog it. Show you guys what it's like. There's a big waterfall. Really, it's like a poop fall because it's from the reservoir. Dirty water. Took a piss in it last time I was here. Peed right there. That's not the entire waterfall, in case you were wondering. That is, and it continues up there. We're gonna climb it, so I'll vlog. I'm gonna teleport right there. Teleported, holy shit! I made like big distance in like 0 seconds. Oh, I almost fell in. Oh, he farted. That's disgusting! Oh! Alright. We're just climbing the rest of the waterfall. I would probably shit myself, then get crushed by it.
You die.
No, I shit myself before I get crushed, and then I get crushed. Alright, hope you guys enjoy the vlog. It's gonna be two parts, I told you that earlier in it. I almost ripped my pants. Yeah. The hardest part is right here.
Yeah, the small wall. I'm going on the other side.
Yeah, it's an easier way. I'm just gonna vlog the experience instead of it being on my head the whole time. Don't slip your shit. Slip your shit. What the hell? Don't slip your shit! Yeah, I've climbed this waterfall before. Yep. Hope I don't drop you guys. If you fall in, that'd be YouTube gold.
It's like amateur park.
Sorta. Alright guys, made it to the top of the waterfall. And he got his shoe wet. Alright, well, there you go. Made it to the top. I'll get back to you guys when we're at the bottom. Guys, we made it back down. And yeah. Probably gonna end this vlog in my room. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed the trip, the bike trip, and the waterfall. And yeah, guys, my day in the life of Sneaky Panda HD is kind of gonna sort of be like this. Not really sure if I'm not gonna do the exact same thing, I'll tell you that, but
Don't let the vlog
yeah, I think I already told them that. But if I didn't, we're probably most likely going to Kennywood on Monday in May. and
We're gonna do a vlog.
we're gonna do a vlog
Gonna be beasting.
of the whole day. So yeah, I guess this channel just kind of turned into my days.
So
yeah, that's fine. No, I don't give a shit. That is awesome. I love doing this. But this channel's just kind of turned into vlogs about my day and what I do.
Vlogs from your room.
Yeah, they do get boring. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna end it in my room when I get back. And yeah, I'll just give you a little overlook of the whole area again. Yeah, it's trashed. Big waterfall there, and then some shit. Forest. We were in the forest and we biked here. And quite honestly, I love biking! Woo! I love it!
Syndicate.
Yeah, seriously. Anyway, I just want to say something. Syndicate.
I know you're not watching.
Yeah, I know you're not watching. You probably never watch this, but he's such a fucking inspiration to me. Like, and he gives me confidence. His videos give me confidence. They make me happy. They make me cheer up whenever I'm in a down mood. And I love it. Hey, you want to film it? What? You want to film it? Just let me look at it. I'll just tell you like which way it is. You know, turn it. You look for it. What? You look at it. Okay. Okay. Well, I'm getting my lower body. What? I don't want to shit, you know. Cause like there's like not copy, screenshot people out there. I might like take it and like put my face on some porno. And I don't want that. Anyway, yeah, he's such a freaking inspiration. Like, he gives me confidence. He's my inspiration. He's the reason that I do YouTube and all that good stuff. And yeah, he's a great person. I know he's never gonna watch this, but who cares? That'd be epic if he ever does. If he's like watching this right now, I'm looking at him. I just jizzed. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, that'd be epic if you ever watched this. It'd be pretty awesome. But yeah, let's quit rambling on about that. And yeah, I'll end in my room. See you guys. For you, it'll be like a second. For me, it'll probably be like an hour or so. Yeah, see you later.